Alright, y'all. So as you can see, at this point, I'm making this thing longer. I'm making it bigger. So all I did was just took 2 more trees on each side, brought them together in the front, and let me stand back here. It's too closed in. But there we go so far. Hey, what's going on, y'all? I ain't finished it today like I thought I would. I got a new technique that I'm going to do. So I'm done cutting down trees. What I did do is I extended it. I made it bigger. I made it bigger, and I know it might not look like it, but I probably used about today probably a good 15, probably like 15 trees on this thing. And now at this point, I have enough trees over there. I don't know if you can see them in the back there, that I can fill in these holes right here. And I'm gonna move on to something else other than trees to fill in the holes. This is all the trees I probably really need to fill in. You see those holes right there. I am going to need some more trees, but that'll probably be later on. That'll probably be tomorrow at some point, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a door. I'm going to actually make a door on this thing. I'm going to put a real door out of trees. I'm going to have a door, and I'm going to make like a wall here, like a grid like walls on each side, and a door in the middle. So yeah, so I'm about to finish up here today and move on to the next stage. I'll show y'all what I'm going to be using to fill in these small, because it's kind of senseless to keep chopping down trees, to fill in these little, to tighten up these little squares, you feel me? I found something smaller that I can use to really tighten these things up. All right, I'm gonna show y'all these things, the things that I'm going to use to fill in the cracks. See those things right there? That's what I'm gonna use. See? So I can wind these and weave these in and out over that whole entire thing. And that's what I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is, see all these things? I'm gonna take a couple hundred of them to the house. I'm gonna cut them down with my machete. And I'm gonna take a couple hundred of them to the house, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim them. I'm gonna trim these. You see all those little flowers and stuff? I'm gonna trim it so you have nothing but the nothing but this, a skinny stick. So I'm gonna come back over here tomorrow with a couple hundred of these sticks, and I'm gonna start to weave that thing until I have every crack on it closed. You see what I'm saying? It's like bamboo, if you look at it. It's tough. It's tough. Real tough. Ain't that tough because it broke, but it's tough enough. You got to keep cutting down trees.